Do you know that these are not eggs? This balanced diet breakfast is so enjoyable and was served with a mushroom coffee and a homemade walnut milk. For the egg-like protein, you will need a cup of tofu, hard one, and a cup of cauliflower. I will start by blending the tofu with this food processor that does well with hard food. I got this from Amazon and it's been a great tool in my kitchen. Just press the button to about 2 to 3 times or 4 times so it doesn't crush so much. Then add the cauliflower. We all know that tofu is so tasteless for me. So I added about a teaspoon of sugar, and you can use apple sauce or maple syrup instead of sugar, and then a pinch of salt. I will slightly blend this again by pressing the button about 3 to 5 times, and after which this is what it will look like, almost like an egg, white egg. So I'm going to start frying the tofu by using avocado oil. I'm going to add the tofu cauliflower blend to the oil and fry this. This cooked until like 5 minutes. I'll fry it until it's almost like off-white color or maybe going towards the brown side. This egg serving meal is going to serve for like 2 people, and each serving will be about 10 grams of protein. Then I transfer to a plate. Next, I'm going to microwave this edamame in a pod that I got from Food Lion. I microwave this for 2 minutes, and I started removing the edamame peas from the pod. The pod is high in fiber, while the peas is high in protein. The pods are really hard for me to chew, so I don't enjoy it. So the peas is all I need. 1 bag of this edamame was about 30 grams of protein. Next, I'll prepare the mushroom and the tomatoes. The tomatoes I cut in halves, while the mushroom I slice in 3 to 4 slices. I'll set that aside while I get the bread to toast. This bread is a multigrain bread, about 4 grams of protein per slice with 0 cholesterol. I used 2 slices, which amounted to 8 grams of protein. I'm going to, I'm an African. This is how we tie our bread, so no comments please. So I'm going to toast this with an air fryer since I don't have a toaster. The air fryer works really well. I'm going to roast for about 2 minutes and it came out really good. While toasting the bread, I will fry the tomato and the mushroom with avocado oil. I season the tomato with black pepper and seasoned salt. Then I'm going to season the mushroom with seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. They came out really good. Then I'll stir the mushrooms and flip the tomatoes to face down. That way the steam will get the ingredients into the tomatoes, just like so, flipping it down to the oil, and it makes a lot of difference in the taste. After that, I'm going to make room for the edamame peas, and I'll add the edamame on the other side, and I'm going to cover it and let it steam for about 2 minutes. This is the egg-like tofu cauliflower. I really enjoyed it. I feel it tastes better than egg whites actually. Then I microwaved it because it was cold, and that's the bread. Really came out good. And this is me serving the tomatoes. I really enjoyed this breakfast, and I know you will enjoy it too. Please like, subscribe if you find this video helpful. I have more tips on great meals. In this breakfast, I served it with a mushroom coffee. First, I microwave half cup of water, then add a spoon of the mushroom coffee. You can add any one of your choice. I stirred until it's completely dissolved. Then I added this homemade walnut creamer that I made, which is about 5 grams of protein per cup. I'm going to post a video on how I made this. Stay tuned to get updates on this. And this breakfast was heavenly. It was so delicious, healthy, filled with protein, fiber, vitamins, a fully balanced breakfast that will get you full all day. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.